Come.
Move that one or move this one.
Come.
No, I don't go.
Let me teach you how to drive.
You take it.
Oh, to the left seat? Oh,
You did, no, you do it.
I'll
Fuck it, no. Hey, move this one.
I'll move this one, it's easier.
You look like Roddy Rich.
I can see.
You know who that is?
No. He's easy. He has the key in this one already. He can move this one only. No, he wanna move that one. I hope you have the wrong key.
Bottle holder.
Nobody cares what you're saying right now. So just put on the limited edition Marshmello air fryer. You cut the fucking instructions. This is how I know you.
It ain't that hard to
carbon
fucking
fibers.
tell.
Whenever
that
you
you just
open
put things
packages
together.
look what you did. I would tell you to assemble this, but you'll assemble it like backwards.
Yeah, I would.
Sick. Wow, you did something.
Yeah, I did.
I can't believe it.
I mean, why? What is this? How many people? I'm going to tell you exactly the number of how many people are going to be interested in this. 0. And then I'm going to give you 1 new battery return, brand new. Santos said he put the battery by the office. Javier sold it already. It's in Javier's car. He's selling it. Javier sells batteries. Doesn't even matter if it fits or not. Just randomly sells it to anybody. There's no. We'll call them brand new. New. Okay. They brought it today, but we didn't need it. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. He's strong. I think clear my valve's gonna owe us like about $1,500.
Yeah.
This is clear my valve's rent.
Oh, it is?
Yep. We're working on it. Yeah, he needs an axle, a radiator cap. He needs 2 belts, AC belt, power steering belt. They're bad. We're changing it. Clear my valve thinks that this is a free job. He has no idea he's gonna get a bill when it's done. So, and if he doesn't pay, it's gonna come out of his paycheck. It actually costs more to put a lien on the car than what the car's worth. Watch this G-Wagon.
Do that.
You're getting a free employee discount job. You should be happy. You should be thankful, grateful. Yeah, he's not paying for it.
Costs a little bit.
He's getting a good deal.
Yeah.
The parts are $1,200. All he has to do is pay $1,300. He's done.
Who's it? No, they're not. Holy shit.
$1,200?
For the parts, yeah.
No, it's not.
Wow. Look at this one. We've been telling him to put the car together for about a month and a half. He just remembered that this car's still here. Look at it. Is that the car that's been there? I'm like, no shit. It's been sitting here for a month and a half.
You talking about me?
No. I like your hair. It's becoming, it's getting thinner and thinner. I'm not the only bald one here now. I feel better.
You have an idea?
Yeah, I have a good idea. Let's go to Sacramento. There's cheap hair transplant places there. The problem is it's a 50-50 chance. It might grow, it might not grow. We gotta take the chance. It's cheap though.
Let's go.
We have to charge Killer my valve. There's a lot of bills for this car.
Shut up.
Yeah, we have to.
It's $9 and $8.
How are you today? Why are you laughing? This is a simple question and you're laughing. This one, we're gonna change the broker moldings. We're gonna put the carbon fibers pieces. The thing is, we put the body kit.
Yeah.
Doesn't look good without the other parts.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna add the bottom pieces carbon fiber. I guess the owner he
changed his mind.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
maybe. Let's take it out of the calzone. You know what I mean? He likes to pull my tail.
Gotta use the restroom. Every time I go, there's somebody in the bathroom, man.
It's because he wants that hair.
That's right.
He wants
I
it.
tell him, but last time he said, no, the doctor he says diet for everything. So okay, diet for everything. So and she's come out
Hey.
with the same design.
Oh, this guy is...
Hey, you know what happened with my motorcycle?
No, what?
Somebody tried to steal it.
Really?
Yeah, and I think they can hold it, so they dropped my bike
What?
at the both sizes.
When did that happen?
Last Saturday.
What? Is it badly damaged?
Well, there's scratches on the side, and my mirror broken. But
Is it here?
Yeah, outside. The brake stopped working.
Oh, hey.
Hey, say hi to my friends over there in Las Vegas, in Miami. Hey, carnales. So something else I have to do over here. Cut it, something else, but that one I don't want to tell you. Okay. Let me see. Sorry. Why are you laughing?
Snap-on. Snap-on trucks, they go to all the car shops.
Yeah, yeah.
And it doesn't matter what time. And all the employees stop working to talk to this guy, to buy tools. And then again, they charge interest, they take payments. Their items, if you go on Amazon, it's like the same and it's like 5 times the price.
Yeah,
when you buy
a
it from
Phillips screwdriver is like $129.
We're gonna finally enjoy our bay. Okay, our bays have been full because these wheels took about 30 years to arrive. And they're finally here.
They copied the old one. 2002 version. This was like the dash for 2002.
You trade the M5 for this?
No. The only car I will trade my M5, GT, Porsche, coupe, and then I will trade to Lambo, Ferrari.
We're making center caps for Sarkis' face. Let's show you a preview.
What is that?
No, you
Hey,
can't
look
do a
at his,
video.
get his camera like.
No,
This is after.
Who did that?
This is before. What's happening? We're gonna make like floating caps with his face on it.
If he's gonna make a floating cap, you have to make Moses and I think two.
All right. The internet was very brutal on this Range Rover, even though I think it looks insane. It had mud guard, mud flaps that people are not used to, and it is an option. After about 10 new Range Rovers we worked on, this is the only one that had those mud flaps on there. So the customer saw the comments, the customer also got your feedback, we got your feedback, and obviously the internet, when it's that many people commenting on one thing, that means, you know, it's not appealing to the eye, so we're going to fix that problem now. As you can see down here, the mud flap is off, and this is where the mud flap originally goes. There's a hole right there. That's the hole I'm talking about. That's their factory. The mud flap gets screwed in there, and that's why we had to just wrap it, put it. But now the customer wants to actually close this up and wrap it nicely and delete the mud flap. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna fix this. It also has it on the front. We already took off that piece. That piece also is gonna get fixed. So yeah, just for you guys, with your feedback, we listened, customer listened, and we're gonna be taking care of that problem now. So that's the mud flap. Leaving the mud flap off.
There was a car, a next door neighbor. Somebody broke into it yesterday night, which is unfortunate. I mean, this happens here a lot, so it's crazy. So yeah, so he needs help. He can't put the car in neutral. So we're gonna stop what we're doing right now. We're gonna go help out a neighbor.
Be careful that everything is sharp there. You can't lock the door.
Kids, you gotta wear your seatbelts. And it's gonna make some noises if you know. So we just put on BBS LMs on the Mclaren 7065 LT Spider with the red interior, as you can see. We already filmed this car with its previous wheels, which looked amazing. But these LMs are really ridiculous. I think it's the first ones on a Spider in the world. I think somebody did it on a regular 720. I don't even know if they've done a 765. But two-tone black, of course, with the gloss black lips and the satin black centers, and then a lot of red BBS accents all over. The center cap is the red with gold traditional BBS cap. It even has a red BBS sticker on the lip. It looks amazing. The back lips are very, very big, so truly looks very aggressive. We're gonna take it up to Home Depot right now, our friendly neighborhood spot, which is across the street. We are going to take some more video pics for you guys. I know it might be repetitive with the gray on red McLaren, but this car is so sick, it deserves it, especially with the LMs. I am getting a slight bit of rubbing, so the setup on this is very aggressive, but sometimes that's the way we like it. So we could deal with a little bit of rubbing here and there on driveways. But yeah, let's show you guys how sick these look now.